Katy Perry. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel just so paper thin, like a house of cards, won't blow from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screens, but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you? 'Cause there's a spark in you. Ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, I know you are. How much you know you are. Make it blow. As you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're gonna let your colors make them go. You don't have to feel like a wasted space. You're original, cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds after a hurricane comes a rainbow, maybe a reason why all the doors are closed, so you could open one that leads you to the burning road. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will glow. When it's time to blow, you just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. Baby, you're go and show the world you are. Make them go. As you shoot across the sky, baby, you're come on, let your colors flash. Make them go. Leave them rolling leave it running in the morning. It's always been inside you. I know it's time to let it go. Baby, you're come on, show them what you are. Make them go. As you shoot across the sky.
Wow.
Oh, yeah! Fireworks in the sky over our nation's capital. January 20th, 2021. This has been a uniquely historic inauguration day. Thanks to all of our performers, friends, and neighbors who celebrated America with us. And once again, congratulations, President Biden and Vice President Harris. Godspeed your efforts. From the Lincoln Memorial, good night, America.
extraordinary fireworks display over Washington, D.C. as the celebration of the inauguration of President Biden comes to a close. Welcome back to our continuing coverage. An extraordinary display not only of fireworks, but of star power coming out for this new administration, celebrating the United States and celebrating clearly what they hope will be a big difference from the last administration. Van Jones?
Hey, shock and awesome. Shock and awesome. You know, after the rain, the rainbow. This is, what you saw was a PSA advertising the America that we can be. The America that Biden is promising is available to us, and you got the chance to see it. And the thing about, moments like this, politics, it's about policy, it's about votes. It's also about the spirit of the country, and there's a cultural dimension to this. And what Biden was able to do tonight, was to get the culture of the country online. And you had country, you had rap, you had break, you had every kind of cultural force saying, this is who we want to be. And to me, it's been medicine all day long. But listen, when you see that kind of literally firepower, that was the fireworks thing, is like the firepower of the culture coming back online. It's just beautiful.
You think back to the poem also that Amanda Gorman said earlier today. I just want to read some of what she said. She said, "We will rise from the windswept Northeast where our forefathers first realized revolution. We will rise from the lake-rimmed cities of the Midwestern states. We will rise from the sun-baked South. We will rebuild, reconcile, and recover in every known nook of our nation, in every corner called our country. Our people, diverse and beautiful, will emerge battered and beautiful."
That about says it, doesn't it, Anderson? I mean, look at this. Here we are in the middle.
By the way, we're going to be speaking to Amanda Gorman exclusively.
Oh my God.
Right.
What stuff.
Here we are in the middle of a pandemic, and such a historic day, and such beautiful pageantry in a different way. And the day, I mean, when you think back 2 weeks ago, the Capitol was a crime scene. And today, Joe Biden and Kamala Harris, in a historic inauguration, she becoming the first woman and woman of color to be vice president after this insurrection. And I want to make note of 3 American presidents meeting together today and talking to the country, where George W. Bush talked about, and we just saw it, the institutional integrity of our country. And that's what today was about. And Joe Biden got in office. Think of it, the Senate changed hands today, and he couldn't have moved faster to turn the corner.
And whether you agree with President Biden or not, it certainly feels like a new day.
Oh my goodness. This was not just a transfer of power, it was a profound change of attitude. And as Gloria said, amid real suffering and fear and concern in the country from morning until now with these fireworks, he has hit and they have hit all the right notes. The power of the presidency in many ways is the story that you tell about the country. And Joe Biden told today the story of the America that he believes in, the North Star he's driving to, and that is really, really important. Tomorrow, reality hits, because it always becomes more complicated when the details come into conflict or come into contact with the narrative. And the challenge will be to continue the momentum of today.